Hey, what's going on, working class hustlers? It's your main man, Horace, also known as La Machine, and we're going to do a real quick jump on it segment. That's what we do every Wednesday, and the purpose is to help newbies who are gated in so many categories and products. We're going to actually give you some actual leads. We've already verified that you're ungated in them, so it won't be a problem. We want you to take action, and I'm actually at work right now taking a quick break, and it's important to show you this because I am a working class hustler. I do a lot of talking about that, but this is for real, guys. This is what I do. I'll show you my numbers if I don't forget, but that's not really important because I show my numbers all the time. What is that doing for you? The only thing that's really doing, me showing my numbers for you, is just kind of letting you know that it can be done. And around here, we don't talk all this quit your job, fire your boss, hate your job, be miserable until you can tell some story about how you finally did this and did that. Around here, we work a regular job, and what we don't do, we don't come up with excuses. Now, these may not be the best sales opportunities that you're going to find, but they work. And if you're a newbie, you need to get started. Okay. So what you're looking at right now is right on my cell phone. I'm looking at Tactical Arbitrage, and I apologize. I might be a little shaky here, but the point is to give you the value and just kind of let you see what is available. Now, right when you look at the software right here, you're looking at the rank. Right here, you can see the estimated monthly sales. Let's see. Look at your gross profit there. Okay. That's $13.02 roughly. It's not going to be exact all the time. Look at your return on investment, 127%. Okay. And when you're looking at the software, these are the things you're looking at. You're looking at the image. You're looking at, let's see, your price, your what the buy box price is. These are the types of things you're looking at. We've got two products here. One is a kid's Caterpillar, and then we got another one in toys and games. And look at, here we go again. You've got the Source at Saks Fifth Avenue. Now, who would have thought that you could get toys at Saks Fifth Avenue? Who would have thought you could get toys at Guitar Center? These are stores that you can search with this software. That's why I always use Tactical Arbitrage. That's why I preach it. But it's not enough for me to just preach it. I got to give you something from the software that you can take and actually make a profit with right now. So, same thing. Okay. Your gross profit on that, what is it? Let's see, it's a quiz card game. Okay. You're talking about what? 96% return on investment. Almost, double your money. What's your cost going to be? Oh, $9.99. What's the buy box? $29.83. What's the estimated monthly sales? 46. This is the type of stuff that this software does for you. Okay. And all you have to do, you don't have to do it because I'm going to actually give you the links to both the product sites where you're sourcing and also the Amazon links. I'm going to give those to you, but just to show you what you would look at, if you click right here, it's going to open up and it's going to take you to the Guitar Center, okay, where you could actually look at the product. There it is, $9.99. Okay, there's the image. And they're trying to get me to show something that I don't want. I'm going to block that. Give me 1 second. But yeah, it's in stock. That's all you need, guys. Then you go and you want to look at the product on Amazon, okay? And yeah, you're going to have to do a little bit of looking around because there's more information. What you would want to do is You see where you have two different sellers, and look at, you're talking $24 plus the $6.54. Now you've got one in here that's prime free delivery $17.99, but you got to look at the actual amount that they have available, and we'll give you the details when we give you the actual links in the description as to why that is a good deal. Okay, and we teach all of that. You know, everything isn't just on the surface. You have to know how to evaluate. And the same thing here. You can go to the actual site, which is Saks Fifth Avenue, and there you can see it. But what I was trying to tell you was, not only is it in stock for $9.99, look at, you could save an additional 20%. Okay, you're always looking to save money where you can. Okay, and then if you find the product on Amazon, same thing. Don't be, you know, when you see that $9.37, wait a minute, you got to add the $12.23 that the competition is putting in there as well. That makes a difference because you're going to be using FBA. Okay, and the only thing I'm going to do now is give me 1 second. I know I'm shifting around, but just for the sake of transparency, I'm going to show you what's going on with me. So I've had 16 sales today for $537, and over the last 30 days, $13,490. And I know I'm actually doing more than that because the app doesn't calculate certain things that until they actually get to a certain phase in the sales process. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. And, you know, I'm always talking tactical arbitrage, and I would be remiss if I didn't offer you the free course, which we call the Lightning course. And what that's going to do, the Lightning course is going to have you in 10 minutes be able to use the software and get those searches and understand. It takes out all of the confusion. Then you're going to take the Lightning course part 2. Part 2 tells you, hey, it's great that you know how to use the software, but now what sites do you look at because you're gated in so much? Let's get you right in there. Okay, everything we give you, because again, we're telling you, hey, use our free link in the description so that you can try the software for 10 days for free. That's not good enough. That's not good enough. We want to make sure that you're actually successful. So before you even sign up, we want you to have a working knowledge of how to use the software, and then we want you to know where to go. There are over 900 websites in this software, and if you don't know where to go, what good is it, guys? So use the link in the description. Get going. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, because we're just constantly giving you a lift, giving you that head start, and making sure that we give you the value so that you can go out and start changing your life selling on Amazon the way I do, even while you keep your full-time job just like me. All right, guys, this is Horace La Machine signing off, and I'll see you in both Lightning courses.